Hey there, what's up Sonic Squad Protectors? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog, back with another video. And today, this video is requested by my friend Ari Wilson 6047 on YouTube. And he requested me to do another Seiko clock comparison video. And he wanted me to do the Waltz of the Flowers. Hang on. There, that's better. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Are you serious? Alright, I hope this is it. There we go. Alright, now off the 394. Let's go. Alright, so we're at the 394 now. Let's see how this one will sound like. Alright, now off to the 399. Alright, so we're here at the 399. Let's get into it. Oh, that was really cool. Alright, squad, I guess that's gonna probably settle for this video. Alright, Sonic Squad Protectors, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button, subscribe with notice on, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Love you guys. I'm out.
Seiko.